Hi, I'm Travis from Port Perry, Ontario. The Canadian Tire Tested for Life program sent me the Reflex Windshield Wiper Guard. I put the Reflex windshield guard to the test by using it in a snowstorm. I put it on at night when I got home from work. When I got up in the morning, we had about 10 centimeters of snow. The guard was covered in snow along with the mirror covers. I took it off by unclipping it from the mirrors and took it from the left side to the right side, and the snow came off perfectly. It didn't make a mess of the windshield at all. It's a high quality product. The mirrors were also protected quite well. I felt like this saved me time in the morning on my way to work the next day. I would definitely use this product again, and I will recommend it to anybody. I will absolutely recommend this product to any of my family or friends that want to save time in the morning, anytime really in the winter in the snowstorm. Help keep their car clean, and it's convenient.